Ninth one, the sum of first 7 terms of NAP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So what is given there? Sum of 7 terms, that is S7 is given, that is equal to 49, and S17 that is equal to 289. Now you are asked to find out sum of n terms, that is Sn you have to find out. To find out Sn we need A and D. Okay, A and D. Okay, you will get an equation in n Sn. Sn is an equation in n. There n is the variable, but A and D value you have to put there. So our purpose is to find out A and D. So S7 we know that is 7 by 2, 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 49. Okay, so 7 by 2, 2A, 7 minus 1 is 6D equal to 49, or 2 you can take outside. So 7 by 2 into 2, A plus 3D will be equal to 49. Now that 2 you can cancel, or A plus 3D will be equal to 49 by 7, that is equal to 7. So A plus 3D equal to 7. That is the first equation you are getting. Now like same way you can find out S17 also. So 17 by 2, 2A plus 16D is equal to 289. There also you can take 2 common. So 17 by 2 into 2, A plus 8D is equal to 289, or 2 you can cancel. A plus 8D is equal to 289 by 17. So 17 17s are 289. So A plus 8D is equal to 17 you will get. Now solve these two equations 1 and 2. So we know that A plus 8D you can split and write 8 plus 3D plus 5D, that is equal to 17. 3D is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 7 plus 5D is equal to 17, or 5D is equal to 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. 5D equal to 10, or D is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. Now you got the value of D. Now how will you get A value? Put it in first equation. A plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, that is equal to 7. That is A plus 6 is equal to 7, or A is equal to 6. 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Okay. Now you got A value and D value. Then how will you find out Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So put the value. N is no change, n itself. 2A, A value is 1. So 2 into 1, n minus 1, D value is 2. D value is 2. So it will be n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, so that 2 will be get cancelled. 2 and 2 here will get cancelled. So n by 2 into 2n, that 2 also will get cancelled, it will be n square. So Sn will be equal to n square. Okay, sum of n terms of that AP is n square. Okay, now 10th one, show that A1, A2, A3 etc. form an AP where An is defined as below. So An is given there, An equation is given 3 plus 4n. An is 3 plus 4n, so that we can find out A1, A2, A3 like that. Okay, so let us first find out A1 or term 1. What do you feel easier, you can put that name. I wrote both. If you want A1 you can write A1, or if you want T1 you can write that one. So instead of n you write 1 there. So 3 plus 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. So our A1 is 7. A2 will be equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So our A2 is 11. Now A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 for 12 plus 3 15 you are getting. Now A4, 3 plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 3 19 you are getting. See, 3 terms are enough, but I wrote one more. Then whether that form an AP, that is the first one. Find D equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4, or A3 minus A2, that is 15 minus 11, that is also 4. So it form an AP. Now second question, it is given find the sum of first 15 term. If it is form an AP, you have to find out sum of first 15 terms. So S15 will be equal to 15 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into D. So 15 by 2, 2a value is 7, 2 into 7 plus 14 into what is D value, 4. So 14 into 4, so 15 by 2, 2 into 4, 2 into 7, 14, 4, 14, 4s are 50, 6 you will get. So 56 plus 14, so S15 will be equal to 15 by 2 into 70. 56 plus 14, 70. So you can cancel this one, 35. So 15 into 35 you will get. So that value 15 into 35, 525 you will get. Okay, that is the first one. In that one, second question also the same way. Instead of n, put value A1 2 3 like that, then you can solve like this. So second question, 10th sum, second one. An is given there, 9 minus 5n. So A1 first find out. A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 4. Then A2 will be equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 9. So here negative sign, -1. Then A3 will be equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15, -15. Then plus 9, -6 it will come. So it is going on like that. So first find whether it will form an AP, that is D. Find out A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1? -1, -4, that is equal to -5. Now again find D by A3 minus A2. So it is -6, negative of -1, that also -5. So D value is same, so it will form an AP. Now what else you are asked to find out? S15. No, S15 you have to find out. A you have, D you have. You are asked to find out S15. So 15 by 2, 2A plus 15 minus 1, that is 14D. That is 15 by 2, 2A, 2 into 4 plus 14 into -5. -5. So 15 by 2, 8. Then 14 into 5, 70 you will get. 15 by 2, 70 minus 8, that is 62. So that is -31. So -31 into 15. So you are getting a negative value, negative of 465. Negative 465. That is the second question. Now let us move to 11th one. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. Then what is this first term and what is the sum of first two terms and what is the second term? Similarly find third and 10th and nth terms. So what is given there? That is sum of first n term. Sn is given, the sum of first n terms, that is equal to 4n minus n square. Now when you are putting n equal to 1, sum of first term, sum of first term is same as the first term because no other term is not there, no? So S1 means it is A1. S1 how will you get? Putting n is equal to 1. So when we put n is equal to 1, 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 into 1 is 4, 1 square is 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the first term? That is 3. Then S2. S2 means what? A1 plus A2, that is S2. So how will you get S2? That is putting n value equal to 2. That is 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 4 into 2 is 8. 2 square is 4. So 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Now you see A1 we know So S2 is 4. That means A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. A1 is 3. So 3 plus A2 is equal to 4, or what will be A2? 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Okay. Now you got second term also. Okay. First question was to find out first term. Second question was to find out sum of two terms. Then third question was to find out second term. Now next question is what? Similarly, third term you have to find out. Then 10th term also you have to find out. Then nth term also you have to find out. So third term, how will you get? S3 you have to find out. What is S3? A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now that is equal to, put the value of N3 there. 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 3s are 12. 3 square is 9. 4 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 9. 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. So A1 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 1 plus A3 equal to 3. So what will be A3? A3 is equal to 3 minus 4, that is equal to negative 1. Okay. Now A3 you got negative 1. Now 10th term, how will you get 10th term? So 10th term you will get S10 you have to find out. Then S9 also you have to find out. Subtract that one. So S10, what will be S10? S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 4 into 10 is 40 minus 10 square is 100. So it will be negative 60. What will be S9? 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 9s are 36 minus 81. So 81 minus 36, 5. Then 445 you are getting negative 45. So 10th term A10 you will get by subtracting this one from this. So negative 60 minus of minus 45. So negative 60 plus 45. So it will be negative 15. So you got that one also. So an you nth term, how will you get nth term? I think it is clear now. Nth term, now we are to calculate. How will you get nth term? That is an Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, that is equal to Sn means 4n minus n square. Okay, then minus Sn minus 1, that is 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 square. Okay, if you want you can keep it like that, otherwise solve that one. That is, you have to open the bracket. This is quadratic equation. This also open the bracket, minus that one. Certain terms will get cancelled, like that you can find out, otherwise keep it like that. So according to the marks you can do. So let us do that. Minus, here it will come 4n minus 4. Now open the bracket, n square minus 2n plus 1, that is negative. So 4n minus n square, negative is common here. 4n minus 4 minus n square plus minus n square plus 2n minus 1. Now 4n minus n square, open the bracket, 4n minus plus 4 plus n square plus minus 2n plus 1. So certain terms will get cancelled. 4n, negative 4n, n square, positive n square plus 1, 5 minus 2n. Now look at that 12th sum. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So n is equal to 40 there, d is equal to 6 and a is also 6 because it is the integers, positive integers divisible by 6. So starting number will be 6. Then next one will be 12, 18, like that it will come. So you are asked to find out S40. So S40 will be equal to 40 divided by 2, 2a plus 39d. Here d is equal to 6. So it will be 2 into 6 plus 39 into 6. So that is 12 plus 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. 12 plus 234. So last answer will be 4920.